Hi guys, I am going to COSTCO today to change tires of my car, summer tires to winter tires. Then I'm gonna go.
Few moments later.
Guys, we reached the COSTCO. Look, COSTCO wholesale. You see, I told you, it's COSTCO wholesale. Look, it's a big truck. We're gonna go park it. Guys, the COSTCO near our house is Zama COSTCO. Guys, we are near the tire center. First, we're gonna straight keep our car in the tire parking center. Then after that, we will go shopping. Guys, my dad is gonna park the car in this spot. Look, my car is sandy, blue color. Oh my God. That squeaky sound. Look at that, guys. So good. Okay, stop. Okay. Guys, we are going to give our car keys to the tire center, and after we are going to go shopping. Let's go.
We did shopping while Tire Center guys were installing the winter tires. We went to get the car as soon as they informed us when it is done.
Look at this bag. So big. Look at that tire. If you buy any tire from COSTCO here, you can get free service if you want to change your tire to summer or winter. Like when we have a tire already and we don't need to buy, or if we buy, we can get free service. Look at size. This is the size for my car, and this company is called Michelin. This size is 195 and my car size is also 195. This is a SUV tire. This is the same company. And there's so much more tires. Look at all these tires. This one, 215. And look at this company. Yokohama, Imperial, and Michelin. Look at this tire, it's massive. Look at this tire. I don't know. 225. It's a winter tire because it has grooves here. These will help you from not slipping in ice or snow. Guys, this is off-road and for snow and for mud. And I feel like this is a Hummer tire because you can hear. Guys, this is a Studless tire. These also have grooves that can help you from not slipping in ice or snow. And this is a summer tire because it doesn't have any groove. Look, it only has some grooves. If you go in the sand with this, you will be fine. But if you put these tires and go in the snow, you will immediately slip. And this is not Studless. Guys, it's time to go home. Let's go in my car. Look at this tire. Let's check this tire and go. Look at this. This is a Studless tire. And it says winter. There's so much winter tire. Summer, 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 summer. Our car. Guys, my dad is gonna take the car. Guys, you never saw my car. You never see my car. Let's go. You can see it for the first time. Guys, we are near our car. Look at my car. Guys, look. This is summer tire. This is a winter tire. There is grows on this, and it's a Studless. Look, the rim has changed. Before it was a rim. Before, not a rim. Let's go back. Let's go. Let's go in my car.